Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 8. Want to present our group project, Permanent Magnet DC Motor Design. This is our team. The first one, Mohamad Amar Khusaini. Second one, Mohamad Akiff Danish. The third one, Abduur Rahhim. The fourth one, Mohamad Afiq Danial. And the last one is Mohamad Khairil. What is an electric motor? An electric motor converts electrical energy into mechanical energy to produce motion. An electric motor operates based on electromagnetic interaction between electric current and a magnetic field. The core objective. The first one is build a functional low-cost PMDC motor from scratch. The second one, compare PMDC with other DC motor types, BLDC and shunt series. The last one is evaluate how changing coil configuration and current. Material and equipment that we use in this project is battery, scissor, magnet, copper wire, electrical tape, and the last one is paper clip.
Material and equipment to be used. Wrap the wire around the battery 10 turns. Wrap is loose end around the coil. Repeat the step with 30 turns and 50 turns. Remove the instruction using sandpaper on both ends of the wire. This is a result after that. Straighten one end of the paper clip and clip a loop on the other end. Tape the paper clip on each end of the battery. Place the coil on the magnet and connect to the battery. Connect the battery to the motor to produce rotation. A multimeter is used to measure the supply voltage. Record twice to obtain the average RPM value for a 10 turn and 50 turn. That's all from us. Thank you.
Instrument layout and safety protocol. Measurement instrument mapping. Voltmeter. Connect in parallel. Monitor input voltage stability. Second one is ammeter. Connect in series. Measure active loop current. Next, strict safety precaution. The first one is short circuit prevention. Ensure the coil spun freely without stalling to prevent current spikes and battery overheating. The second one is secure connection. Fasten all the test clip tightly to eliminate electrical sparkling. The last one is clearance gap. Maintain an optimized structural air gap to avoid coil magnet physically collision. So for the conclusion, this project successfully bridged the theoretical electromagnetism and practical engineering by building a functional PMDC motor. Our data verify a clear technical trade-off favor coil turns, reduce mass and resistance to maximize rotational speed, while molten lower speed but increase potentially torque and energy efficiency. Ultimately, this hands-on process developed our skills in electrical instrumentation, physical troubleshooting, and team coordination. We hope this project has given you a better understanding of how an electrical motor works. That's all from us. Thank you.